We'll guide you through how to assess ChatGPT security risk in a few simple steps. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your desktop. Before diving into usage, it's crucial to review the privacy policy and terms of service. These documents provide detailed information about data collection, usage, and storage. Next, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section where you can control your privacy preferences. Here, you might find options to manage data sharing and opt-out settings. It's important to understand how your data is being used and whether you can restrict access. If the platform offers a security center or a similar section, take a look there. This area often includes security-related notifications, such as recent logins or suspicious activity alerts. You should also check for any available two-factor authentication options. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access. Additionally, consider the kind of information you share when interacting with ChatGPT. Avoid inputting sensitive personal information unless necessary, as this can reduce potential security risks. Regularly updating your password is another good practice. Choose a strong password that is unique to this account, incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Lastly, stay informed about any updates or announcements from the ChatGPT team regarding security improvements or changes. Being proactive in monitoring your account and staying informed about security practices can help mitigate risks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.